In just 3 minutes, this will make you smarter. Prepare to see sports highlights in a whole new light. In just 3 minutes, this will make you smarter. Prepare to see sports highlights in a whole new light. For decades, human editors crafted iconic sports moments. Now, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing that landscape. AI algorithms dissect games, finding every crucial play instantly. This tech creates those viral 60-second highlights you love. It's revolutionizing how we consume athletic excellence daily. Traditionally, highlight creation was a labor-intensive process. Editors watched hours of footage, manually clipping key events. Broadcasters like ESPN employed large, dedicated production teams. This method was slow, costly, and often prone to human bias. Timeliness was always a critical challenge for quick delivery. AI offers a scalable solution, overcoming these past limitations. At its heart, AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms. Computer vision analyzes video frames for specific actions. It identifies goals, dunks, tackles, and dramatic player reactions. Natural language generation then adds automated commentary or captions. This technology processes vast data faster than any human team. It understands context, like a comeback or a record-breaking moment. AI learns continually, improving its highlight selection accuracy. Companies like WSC Sports lead this highlight automation revolution. WSC Sports partners with NBA, NHL, and Bundesliga for content. Their platform generates thousands of personalized clips instantly. Huddle provides AI-powered analysis for coaches and athletes. Second Spectrum tracks player movement, adding deeper insights. These tools deliver specific highlights for different fan segments. They power 60-second recaps you see across social platforms. AI enables truly personalized highlight feeds for every viewer. Imagine highlights only featuring your favorite team or player, or perhaps only specific types of plays, like three-pointers.
Broadcasters can now offer tailored experiences for diverse audiences.
This boosts fan engagement dramatically across all age groups. It transforms passive viewing into an interactive, custom journey. The future holds even more immersive, real-time highlight generation. Expect interactive highlights where fans control camera angles. AI could predict impactful plays before they even happen live. New monetization models will emerge from this targeted content. However, ethical considerations around data privacy remain crucial. Ensuring fairness and avoiding algorithmic bias is also vital.
The human element of storytelling will always complement ice speed.
AI is not just assisting, it's redefining sports highlight creation. From manual editing to instant, personalized video streams, this technology promises an exciting, engaging future for fans. Get ready for sports highlights tailored just for your viewing. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.